Please welcome Niclas from VRSverige. Five.
And this is on.
Yep.
All right. So I'm here to present three things really quick. VR Square and VRSverige is the same thing, and we do content about virtual reality. We do events about virtual reality, and we facilitate cooperations, partnerships, and fun projects about virtual reality. Click there.
Okay,
so this is the website VRSverige.se. It's been around in Sweden for 3 years now, and it's the biggest site in the topic. It's been a hobby project for one person half time during this time, but we're accelerating. And it's, yeah, you should go there. This is what VRSverige or VR Square is about, because we want to bridge the gap between the VR enthusiasts and geeks and the ones who are VR curious and are just starting to realize that VR will be huge. So just a quick question, how many in the audience here work with something that's related to VR, if not now, then in 1 or 2 years' time? Yeah, it's quite a portion. I actually, the way I asked the question, it should be everyone. So, yeah, we deleted Zuckerberg from that picture. So we do content in various forms. The most important here is the human perspective on VR. So you could say we fill the information gap in VR today, tomorrow, and post VR. Meaning today people need to just get aware about VR. Tomorrow they need to get guided to the purchases they want to make. And post VR, when everything is VR, you need to relate to VR in whatever you're doing, philosophically, society-wise, in education, in everything. So this is how we do content. We monitor everything that happens globally in the VR news flow, and then we do basically blogging, in-depth articles, and also quick news. Like today we're doing 10 news articles from E3 and other things. Aggregation, meaning you'll be able to data sort reviews and use cases, and like an IMDb for VR on our site. And we're also preparing to data mine the shit out of everything that we're monitoring, so we can put together some cool insights. Right now the insights are in our heads. And this is why we do events as well, because unless you've tried the HTC Vive or Oculus or proper VR, you just don't know what you're missing. You need to try it. We call it the 3-second close. We have a station down there. Please try VR. If not here, then at our open events or our paid events. And this is how we do events. So last week we did the first VR open house in Sweden, in the world, where 350 people came and just played with 8 VR stations manned by volunteers and by makers and developers, telling people about their games or just sharing their evangelist mindset about VR. And then we'll do lots of other events. This feeds back into web traffic, and it's a cool loop there. For those who can't go to events, we also lure them into our thing with free cardboards. And this is the team. Basically, we handpicked really passionate people for VR. If you want to join the team, if you're passionate about VR, talk to us. Johan, who founded the site, has been doing things in VR as well. He's a passively skilled Unity developer as well. So we have some technical chops. And thirdly, so not only content, not only events, but we are the hub for going to someone with a need and getting pointed to the right direction. We got incoming proposals daily, and we have a network of suppliers, consultants, and everything. And we're starting to not only point them by email and introduce people, but actually collecting everyone in the same physical space. We are at STHLMHW on Gärdet. The name of the place is Embassy. Ask me about it. It'll be VR and drones and stuff. And that's me.
Good timing.
Now time for questions. One question.